Hey everybody, today's quick tip is about the shape library. Did you know BobCAD has 40 parametric shapes that you can use to quickly create designs? Let's take a look in today's quick tip of how to use the shape library. All right, let's start out with some of the basics. Where is the shape library located? Well, if we go to Create 2D, we'll find the shape library here, so we can click on this. Now, the shape library will open up in the data entry. The first option is to pick which shape you want to work with. If you click on the image, you can choose from other shapes. On this example, I'll go with the slotted plate. Okay. Now, again, this is a parametric design. So what that means is the size of our shape is based on the dimensions that are here, allowing you to adjust the shape really without too much difficulty, and again in a parametric method. Okay, so you're just entering the values and the shape will grow or shrink accordingly. Now you also have an origin here that you can type in a location if you want, or you could pick a location from the CAD screen. The other thing that you have new to the V31 is the ability to adjust different reference locations. So instead of always being from the bottom left-hand corner, you can now choose center, bottom left, bottom right, top center, a bunch of different options that will make creating your shapes and laying them out on the screen a whole lot easier. Now, it's also important to understand that once you get a shape drawn on the screen, that shape will be listed in the CAD history tree. This gives you the ability to go back and edit the shape. In case you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can just make your adjustments here. So maybe I actually only wanted 3 slots, but maybe the distance between the slots I wanted to be a little bit larger. So we can make that adjustment without starting all the way over. Now, it's also important to understand that you can combine your shapes. So you're not limited to just using one. You have the ability to create on the shape library again and create an additional shape. Like in this example, I'm going to add a symmetrical lug. Now, you'll notice I want to align the bottom of this lug to this wall, and I want to align the bottom of this lug to this wall as well. So what am I going to do here? Well, one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate this minus 90 degrees so we can get one lined up for this edge. And then I'll also adjust its reference location and make it easier to line up the part. I'll choose this mid position here, and then we'll choose OK. And you'll see that we were able to add this lug on this side of the part. Now, if I wanted to make a copy of it, so we had one on the other side, I have the ability to either rotate it or mirror. In this example, I'll choose mirror. I'll select the geometry that I want to work with. I'll choose copy, and it's really just that simple. So if you guys haven't been using the shape library, give it a try today.